Hey folks, come on in the room. This is your senior soul sister coming to you the day before her install. So some things changed with my appointments and with my lactation schedule, and so what we decided was let's just go ahead and start early in the morning. I'm going to have my consultation, and if we decide to move forward, then she is prepared to go ahead and start my install that day. I had rewashed my hair because I had it twist out, and so since we're not meeting today, I just went on and put some big chunky braids in there. And actually what I'm thinking of doing is all of this is just like broken off dead hair that really isn't serving any purpose, and I don't need it in terms of length because my hair is already probably a good 14-15 inches. So I really think that just in these braids I just might go ahead and cut off about an inch or so of these tips. Like I said, they just really aren't serving any purpose. But this is how I'm going in for my install. Freshly washed, absolutely no conditioner. What I did was a keratin treatment on it, just kind of a deep moisturizing treatment. Then I used my Maison 276 clarifying shampoo, which is step 1, and then the hydrating shampoo, which is step 2. I rinsed everything out really well last night so that there is absolutely no products in my hair, and that's the main thing that they want on your day of install, is just for you to have freshly washed hair so they can really see what is your hair type, your hair density, porosity, all of that, and then they can better tell you what's the size that's going to work for your type of hair, and will it be better with Microlocks or Sisterlock, so that you can really make an informed decision. But I am so excited, and I'm going to try and at least take something while she starts it. I don't know, some lacticians may not want to be on camera, so I'm going to have to ask her about that and how comfortable she is with me talking about her and the process while we're going through it. But I expect tomorrow to be a really, really long day. Make sure you are well hydrated. Make sure that you are in comfortable clothes. Make sure that you bring something to keep you occupied, whether it's on your iPad, your phone with your charger, some good books to read, whether they're ebooks or, regular actual paperbacks or whatever. But just make sure that you have something to occupy your time, because your first day may very well be about anywhere from 8 to 10 to 12 hours, just depending on how long she decides to go and how long you can hold up. I've got a lot of physical issues, and so for my senior women, make sure that you've got a lactician who understands that and is willing to work with you. So bring your neck pillow, bring your back pillow, and tell her how often you might need to get up just to try and stretch. Make sure that you bring your snacks and something to eat, because you don't want to break up that time. She may only want to take about a 30-minute break out of that whole time just to keep the process going. So you don't want to mess up her schedule, and at the same time, you want to be comfortable as well. It will really help if they have one of those chairs where you can kind of recline and lay back, but a lot of them don't. They just have the straight shampoo type, regular salon type chair, and it may not go back enough for you. So definitely bring whatever kind of support pillows that you might need. You don't know what the temperature is going to be, whether they're doing it from their home or doing it in the salon. So make sure that you've got some layers on so you can definitely just be comfortable. That's the main thing, because it's going to take all of your patience to get through that long a time, especially if you're not used to sitting. I have to do sit stand even at my job. So about every hour or so, I'm standing up. So I already know we're going to have to take, and it can just be like 1 minute or 2 minute stretch do those shoulder rolls back and forth, right? Those neck rolls, those back rolls, all that stuff that you need to do to make yourself comfortable. And that's the main other thing with just having on comfortable clothes too. You just want to be as comfortable as possible throughout that whole process. All right, I'm gonna check back with you guys after we get started tomorrow and definitely give you an update. But like I said, I'm just really, really excited about this process. Talk to you later. Bye.